When installing the dispenser, check for any obstructions below the sink, including drains, sink bowl, or water lines. Mark the center of the desired spout location no more than 3 inches from the edge of the sink bowl. Ensure that the gasket is aligned properly with the dispenser. Insert the spout assembly through the hole in the countertop and feed the wiring harness through the wing nut. Thread the wing nut onto the stem and hand tighten until the gasket is compressed and the bottom of the spout assembly is tight against the countertop. Remove the locking clip and orient the motor assembly with the open area pointing toward the room for ease of inserting the refill. Slide the motor assembly onto the stem as far as possible. Insert the locking clip until it clicks into place. Connect the wiring harness from the stem to the motor assembly wiring harness. When using the battery pack, secure the battery pack to the back of the wall with appropriate screws and anchors that are sold separately. Insert the 4 D-cell batteries into the front cover of the battery pack. Replace the battery pack cover by inserting the bottom edge first. Hand tighten the thumb screw. Connect the battery pack power cord to the motor assembly power cord.